Embark on a journey into the dynamic world of the stock market, where artificial intelligence becomes your ally in the quest to maximize profits. In a landscape characterized by rapid changes and unpredictable shifts, harnessing the power of AI can provide you with a strategic advantage. Discover how you can leverage cutting-edge technologies to navigate the complexities of the stock market and unlock new avenues for financial success. Unlocking insights with AI. Unraveling the intricacies of the stock market requires more than just a keen eye. It demands a data-driven approach. Artificial intelligence excels at processing vast amounts of information at incredible speeds, enabling it to identify patterns and trends that may elude human analysis. By leveraging machine learning algorithms, you can unlock valuable insights into market behavior, helping you make informed decisions and stay ahead of the curve. Algorithmic Trading Strategies. One of the most powerful applications of AI in the stock market is algorithmic trading. Algorithms, fueled by historical data and real-time market information, execute trades with precision and speed that human traders simply cannot match. These sophisticated programs can analyze market conditions, detect opportunities, and execute trades at optimal moments, all while adapting to evolving trends. Algorithmic trading not only enhances efficiency, but also minimizes the emotional factors that often cloud human judgment. Sentiment analysis for market. Sentiments, understanding. Market sentiments is crucial for making informed investment decisions. AI-driven sentiment analysis scours news articles, social media, and other sources to gauge the mood of the market. By assessing public opinions and reactions, you can gain insights into potential market shifts before they happen. Whether it's detecting emerging trends or identifying sentiment shifts, AI-powered sentiment analysis provides a valuable tool to stay attuned to the pulse of the market. Portfolio management optimization. Building and managing a diverse portfolio is a fundamental strategy for long-term success in the stock market. AI aids in portfolio management by optimizing asset allocation based on risk tolerance, market conditions, and investment goals. Machine learning models can continuously analyze and adjust portfolios, ensuring they align with your financial objectives while dynamically responding to changes in the market. Risk mitigation with predictive analytics. Predictive analytics, driven by AI, empowers investors to anticipate potential risks and take proactive measures. By analyzing historical data and identifying risk factors, AI models can predict market fluctuations and potential downturns. This foresight allows investors to adjust their portfolios, hedge risks, or even exit positions before significant losses occur. Predictive analytics serves as a valuable tool in risk mitigation, providing a level of security and confidence in navigating the volatile nature of the stock market. Real-time market monitoring. In the fast-paced world of stock trading, staying updated in real time is paramount. AI excels at monitoring market conditions around the clock, ensuring you have the latest information at your fingertips. From breaking news to sudden market shifts, AI-powered systems can alert you to critical developments, enabling prompt decision-making. Real-time market monitoring is an essential component for agile traders looking to capitalize on fleeting opportunities and avoid potential pitfalls. Embark on this AI-driven journey in the stock market, where technology and innovation converge to redefine the possibilities of financial success. As you navigate the complexities of trading, let artificial intelligence be your guiding force, providing insights, managing risks, and optimizing your path to profitability. Don't miss out on the latest trends and strategies in AI-driven stock market success. Subscribe now to stay updated on the cutting-edge developments that can reshape your financial future. Remember, in the world of stock trading, knowledge is power, and embracing AI is the key to unlocking unprecedented opportunities. Subscribe, stay informed, and let the algorithms work for you. Happy trading!